How can you have more successful trades and have more fun doing it? Has your trading life become a grind? Have you stopped having fun? When we stop enjoying something, our performance also tends to drop off. I'm about to share 4 things that can make your trading more successful and more fun. Stick around to the end so you can see how to get started. Tip number 1 for having more successful trades and having more fun while doing them: create a trading schedule that gives you lots of room to breathe. Your lifestyle should dictate your trading style, not the other way around. Too many amateurs get caught up in the idea of day trading or futures trading, and they change their lives to try and fit the strategy that they want to learn. This creates burnout very quickly. Instead, learn a strategy that fits your lifestyle so that you can have the luxury of stepping away from a computer. Tip number 2 for having more successful trades and having more fun while doing them: learn something new, a new strategy, read a book, take a course, find a new podcast on trading, mix it up. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to our podcast, The Word on Investing, to get weekly trading inspiration and encouragement. Sometimes burnout can occur from a lack of novelty. We as humans need adventure and an occasional change of pace. By learning something new, you can challenge yourself and keep your skills sharp. Tip number 3 for having more successful trades and more fun while doing them: focus on discipline. Plan your trade, trade your plan. Have those entry and exit points picked out in advance. Follow the trading rules to a T. Maybe it sounds counterintuitive because it's not a new strategy or a new setup or a new tool, but deepening your trading discipline will give you more confidence, better results, and yes, it'll lead you to have more fun as you trade as well. Tip number 4 for having more successful trades and having more fun while doing them: win bigger. Now you might say, well, of course, Dave, duh, that would make it way more fun. But let me explain what I mean by that. Like, you've got to learn to win bigger in relation to your losses. So in other words, for every dollar you risk, try to have the opportunity to make at least $2 or more. This way, you can actually have more trades go against you than for you, and the ones that go for you can more than make up for the losses that go against you. Now, is it a guarantee? No, and it's going to take some discipline. There are some things you got to learn in order to make this happen, but that's what we'll help you learn how to do here at TRADEway. Are you ready to learn more? Then book a complimentary strategy session with us. In this one-on-one session, a TRADEway representative will take time to understand your goals and introduce you to the proven, straightforward strategies taught in our courses. It's a chance to see how our approach can help you begin your trading journey with clarity and confidence. Spots are limited. Book your complimentary strategy session now at tradeway.com/call. That's tradeway.com/call.